Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how we can build the connection between Google Ads and Salesforce in such a manner that whenever I receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details are added to my Salesforce CRM without me lifting any finger. If you also want to learn how we can create this setup, let's start creating this from the beginning step by step. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Google Ads to Salesforce in such a manner that whenever there is a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a contact or a lead is created in Salesforce. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that to forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. Name this workflow as connect Google Ads leads to Salesforce, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here, workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a contact is created in my Salesforce, which means whenever there is a new lead from Google Ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Ads, and in the trigger event, I am going to select new lead form entry and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. I am going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I am going to open my Google Ads. I am running a test campaign. So here, this is the test lead gen form. I require this first name, last name, email, phone. Then I want the city. You can enter anything according to the requirement, and you can add another questions also from here. Add question. I want the company name also. Now in the preview, you can see how my form is appearing like. You have to scroll down, and then you have to search for lead delivery option, and from here you have to scroll down again. Over here you can see this webhook URL and the key. So you have to find this webhook URL in this workflow itself. So this is the webhook URL which we have to copy and paste it over here, and then we have to enter the key. To enter this key, I'm going to enter a random key, and as I click on the send test data, the test data will be sent from Google Ads to Pabbly Connect workflow if this connection setup is working fine via this webhook URL. Over here you can see this waiting for the webhook response. Now I'm going to click on this, and the test data sent successfully. Now let me open my workflow and check whether I have received any test response for all these fields from Google Ads or not. And here it is 9 seconds ago, which means as soon as I've sent the data, I have received the response. Over here we can see all the details. The company name is company name, the city is Mountain View, we have the phone number as this, we have the email at test@example.com. The first name is first name, last name is last name. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that to my Salesforce. I'm going to select my action application as Salesforce, and in the action event, I'm going to select create contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Salesforce. I have already logged in my Salesforce, and that's why I'm going to allow and grant away the permission. You will see Salesforce will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter these details. I'm not going to enter the details manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this Google Ads and enter the first name. Then I'm going to enter the last name as this one. Then I'm going to enter the email address as test@example.com. Then I'm going to enter the business phone number. which I have received. I do not have the title, street, city, these details. So I'm going to enter the city also. We have received the response for this city, which was this Mountain View, and I have not received the response for these fields. If you have received the details, you can enter that. I'm going to skip all of these fields. I'm going to enter the mobile phone number also, which is this one, and I'm going to skip the rest of the part. Over here in the title, I will enter the, because that is also one answer which I have received. Now over here in the lead source, I'm going to select it as web only. You see, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response, and we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my Salesforce and check whether this contact is created or not. So over here we can see that we have created contact in Salesforce. I'm going to open the contacts. And here it is, we have created this first name, last name. If I go towards this details, I have the phone number as this. If I click on this edit, you can see this was the same exact phone number. Email address was test@example.com. We have added the rest of the details, also the first name and the last name. You see, this is how my automation workflow is working, and have made the connection between Google Ads and Salesforce using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.